All right, guys, in this portion of the video, I am covering the system with graphics. Now, I do have two other graphics I need to finish. Unfortunately, I have graphics that sold, so I had to put a hold on that. But I want to show you where we're at because, again, this is really covering a lot of bases that many of you have never seen. Vendors do not do typically custom graphics for their system to, once again, make it easy for end users to service. Why is that? Because they try to get a hole in your pocket every single time you need support. Look at the front of this system right here. Here's the LPH 26 pin allocation, and it's explaining to you these settings reflect what should be input into Mach 3 for ports and pins. So you know exactly what will be input inside of Mach 3 should you require it. Okay, now as we come in the system, or actually she can come in above, and you can see our drive sticker for doing everything from setting your micro stepping, setting your dip switches with the actual dip switch graphic of the actual dip switch box, and then coming over here, the resistor selection, the stepper motor's inductance for lowest, middle, higher, and highest if you have to, once again, set your tuning for that. And then, of course, over here, we've got the chart below represents the drive's LED illumination, and that's based on any type of errors that you would get where the drives are letting you know what's going on. So you can reference everything. That is the way I feel a professional system should be. That being said, over here on the power supply, and this is once again the step down, you'll notice we have input. Actually, she probably would want me to turn this. Let me do that for you. Now you can see your input. This is the input coming in, V positive, V negative, everything here is matched. And then you can see we have red and black, and that allocates the color of the leads. And this is output going to our UC400, our input going into the unit and stepping down. And now our client knows exactly what they're working with. Now, as we come over here, you notice something? You never see this, a ground bus. And it's a sticker that's allocated to the actual